Good morning, everyone. Check out the view. So our room is facing the ocean. We have a pool. I really want to walk there to show you guys the view further, but there's like a really big bee.
This guy is crazy. He wants to go into this boat and it's not like his. Doesn't know who it belongs to, and someone's gonna scold you, I swear.
It's too heavy. Maybe I should just jump in.
Oh my.
At least I tried.
Yeah, mad.
Hey guys, so it's our first official day at Untitled Maldives.
Yay.
This is our room. It's right at the corner of the resort. Further down it's dark blue, which means that it's really deep. Apparently there are like sharks and creatures, and let's not go there.
What are you doing?
Bringing the duck into the water.
Careful. Wait! Okay. What are you doing?
Oh my god,
Where? Where?
So I know that the video cut off very abruptly just now because the camera ran out of battery. We are gonna go snorkeling. Ayada Resort actually provides the snorkeling equipment for free for all their guests. So check it out, Debbie is snorkeling in the pool. Hey baby, let's go out into the ocean. I really wish I could find some way to take a video underwater, but I don't have an underwater camera. I try to use my phone, and if my phone breaks, well, I know it broke for you guys, so it's worth it. Let's go, let's do it! Almost 6 p.m. now, and we're heading to the jetty to feed fishes. And apparently there are some sea turtles, so looking forward to meeting them. Wow!
It's just a couple more.
Look at these sea turtles! So basically the story behind the sea turtles is one day a sea turtle came to the island and just laid eggs, and the sea turtle left. So the people on the island decided that they would take care of that sea turtle. Yeah. So they can't release it into the ocean because the sea turtles will get eaten. By what? What eat these turtles?
Sharks.
Sharks. Oh wow. What are you feeding them? Wolf bakari?
I don't know.
Can you make fish cake?
You dare to swim with it?
No.
But he looks very gentle.
He looks gentle, but if he stings me, I die straight away.
We are feeding the fishes there at the jetty. Now we're gonna look for hermit crab. Oh wait, I think he caught something.
Come here.
I want a hermit crab. Don't break the cup can already. Thought you hurt yourself. We just lost a big ass crab, man.
No.
I don't think he's coming back.
Yay!
2 crabs.
2 crabs!
So we just caught a few crabbies. Not me, I mean him. I can't do it, I'm not fast enough.
So the sun does get very strong here, and that's why I have flipped my duck. And now it works as a fort and shade. So far, Maldives have been really great. The resort have been really nice to us, so kind. Everyone's so happy to work in this resort. Everyone on the island is just on such a good mood, and it just makes me feel happy. I can just lie here and do nothing forever. Oh my gosh! I just saw like flying fish. Oh look, look, look. I don't know if you can see it. The fish are jumping out of the water. If you ever decide you want to come to Maldives, I really recommend Ayada Resort. Like, without a doubt, this is by far the best holiday I've ever been on and the best resort I ever stayed in. Trust me, you won't regret it!
So this guy wants to go into the ocean, but he's afraid of the sun. He's using the other float as a shelter. This guy.
So there have been a few people who commented on my Instagram post asking me, why do I have a wire connected to my duck? This is actually not a wire, it's a rope. Firstly, connected to that round thing to keep my duck safe. You know, I don't want little duck here to drown. Secondly, it's to park my duck here. Right here. Hey! Hey! Faster! Faster! That's how I control. Alright, ducky, you have some free time. Don't go too far, alright? We got bicycles. Look at this. Baby, you sure you're not gonna fall into the water? She's not sure. Yeah, we're going to the spa now. Debbie is the worst cyclist ever. If you ever see Debbie on a bicycle in Singapore on the roads, just stay away. Whether you're in front, behind, beside, or just keep a 10-meter distance away from her, because she is the worst rider ever. Yo, yo, yo!
So JianHao just finished climbing a mountain. How do you feel? Mount Ayada, and it's 2.5 meters high.
This is the recreational area. So there is a tennis court, a beach volleyball court, and look at this. There is a football field in the hotel resort. That is actually a bat.
Whoa, whoa.
They're so big here. I've never seen such big bats before. Pass the ball. Oh. Baby, what just happened?
You fell down, but luckily not in the water.
You fell down, but luckily not in the water.
Yeah.
Are you okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour right now. So this is the bed. Here is the bathroom. We have the toilet. And you can enjoy the water. Here is the bathtub. Right here you can take a bath and look at the ocean. And when you come out here, ta-da, you can sit here. Mermaid dance, Disney World, Disneyland, wow. Wow. So this is what's left of the crabs that I caught for Debbie yesterday. All of them somehow escaped.
So yesterday we came to the beach and we caught 6 crabs. But they all managed to escape. And we are back here today to catch more. One guy right here. And we're gonna get more.
I caught another one, I caught another one. It's in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Right here, we've got a crab. It's big, it's black, and we're gonna catch it.
While JianHao is catching some crabs, I'm collecting seashells. Like a loser, cause I'm not fast enough. 9 crab. You caught it! Oh wow! Oh my god, this is the biggest. He's like 5 times bigger.
We're stuck outside our door. It seems like this happens every holiday, but we forgot our card. So one of us have to swim across to open it from the back. Okay, I'll do it.
Hey, be careful, yeah? Oh.
Hello.
The floor is hot. Wow, nice.
So we just ordered room service and we're watching Shark Tank. It's our last night. I'm gonna miss this view.
So it's always nice to be on a holiday or just me and JianHao. But it's hard to take photos and look at what he has to do. So this is our last day in Maldives and we are packing up to go now. There's a bee. He's super scared.
We're gonna feed the sharks now. Yay, thank you.
They're so cute.
Look at his feet. Oh, it's stuck.
So we're leaving Ayada Resort now and we're kind of sad. Yeah, we didn't mention this earlier, but they gave us room 520, and apparently that is the most requested room. It means I love you in Chinese. So we really forgot to vlog that and I feel really because I really wanted to show you guys that. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be saying goodbye to. If you ever want to head to Maldives and you're not sure which resort you want to head to, just go to Ayada Resort. It's so beautiful. It's the best. It's the best. I'm not even kidding right now. And if you want to book it, just go straight to the Ayada Resort website and book straight there. If you have any questions, ask them because they reply really fast and they give really good answers. to all the questions that you need. So go ahead, check out this beautiful place. This is the boat that we'll be taking. We're gonna go to the airport. Thank you! So we're finally home. It's 6 a.m. Little bear is here. Boo boo, you want a new toy? A new toy from Maldives? So if you guys like this vlog, please leave a comment below and let us know where we should go next, and hopefully we'll be able to travel soon. But until then, see ya.